Hello everyone, it's Peter here, Piotr Fisner. How you doing, guys? Hello. So, I'll try to do it in 10 minutes, if possible, and I've got few subjects to cover. First subject is that I've used my brand new solar panel, which is the worst solar panel ever. I didn't use any controller. Yes, I did use only panel versus 18650s. But let's do it quickly and let's, wow, DC volts and singular, no problem. Guys, this was charged like mad. One minus will be shown as minus 4.60. So 4.06. Charged perfectly, no problem. Then I took 2 because I won't be charging singular cells. What's the point? 4.07 as well. Super. Then I took 4 because I said that's 20 to 25 watts panel. That in the good conditions, like solar conditions, will be fine. But in the bad weather, I might struggle. And I did struggle when the sun was going down. That's 3.6 and 59. And that is same side, oh, the other side. So that is 3.7. I would leave it till the evening. But the rain came, fell down on those, and they were soaking wet. I had to take them down. It wasn't for long, but it did. So again, I could use some charger if that would be 12 or 24 volts, but I didn't. Let me switch to the purchases on AliExpress. So I bought this one today. It's 500 watts, high efficient DC to DC step down converter. That's this one. How much I did pay? Again, it's only £12.74. So why I bought it, you might be asking. I'll explain you. Look, the output continues, yes, with natural heat dissipation, can achieve 280 watts and 12 hours, yes, with current limits, and 10 to 60 volt wide input voltage. As I will be getting 2 solar panels, my customer said from him, these are 24 volt solar panels, so I will be able to set up this as an output with an efficiency of 92 to 96 on 12 volts on output, and then I can have no problem having 280 watts, which is great because one panel which I will get, it's 180, second is 190 volts, and that's a maximum it can achieve. So let's face it, 280 should be okay. Now this, why I need it, you might be asking, because as you know, if you will connect solar panel, then the battery, and then the load, yes, what it is you connect it as a 24 volt solar panel, and then on the output to the battery you can connect battery which is 12 volt. So what I want to do is I want to use that DC to DC, either get 24 volt battery, hook it up, because this can serve either or get 12 volt battery and 12 volt inverter, but use that one to go down from the solar panel to the controller. That's what I was thinking. Or maybe from solar panel get 24 straight away, but when it comes to the battery here, yes, here, connect on a 12 volt through that thing. So that's what I want to do. Next thing is what I want to say. We've got 4 minutes. Okay, we can. I see many times people are thinking that they buy solar panels and they are efficient, as people are advertising on eBay or on AliExpress. And that's not true, because size 6 by 6 inches of the solar cell which is singular solar cell, like here, singular one of them, it's only about 5, the best ones are about 6 watts or something. It's not a lot. If you would go even to eBay or AliExpress where you can buy singular cells, you will see it's 0.5, 0.56 volts, and there's maximum of about 8 amperes. If you will time one by the second one, you will see that's only about 5 watts. So if you get a not human size but almost human size solar panel that can produce only 100 watts, you know, that can't produce a lot, like let's say this, 2 down and about this size. Yes, that's only about 100 watts, and you pay a lot, quite a bit, for ready-made, and many times they want to sell you with controller, with battery, with something, of course, but if you look carefully you will see that you pay for about 250 watts solar panel about 200 pounds or more, yes, or more, and most likely you will pay more. Of course, if you will buy at least one pallet or something, you might have a discount and it will be cheaper, but many times, you know, you pay more. And that's only if you buy solar panel yourself. Then for 2 panels you'll pay about 400 to 500 pounds, whereas if you go buy on AliExpress, as I did, 500 watts of solar cells, which I think I had it here somewhere. Yes, I got it. I'll show you. Similar specification. Yes, because I prepared that. Look, 51 pounds and 30 pence. That's excluding VAT. Unless you will go over 135 pounds, then what's happening? So you would have to look for, let's say, 100 pieces. Yes, like I bought 100 pieces, and look, they are efficient on 18.8 to 19.8%. These ones, yes, they are similar to my one or the same. And that's what I said to you. You know, 0.56 and 8.5 amp. They are only less than 5 watts in power. Yes, and you've got in millimeters here. So that's 6 by 6 in inches. And those are really similar looking to my ones. They are not dot over the I and line crossing T, but they are really similar. Yes, so you know, if you know that this has of this size this value of watts, you can expect what you can expect from those sellers on eBay or on AliExpress. So please don't go buy there and just try to buy their 100, 200, 300, 600 watts panels, because it's not fair. If you want to buy cheap, you have to make them yourself. If you don't know how, ask. If you struggle, maybe find some forum, maybe ask even in the comment. You know, like you can really learn it, because it's a basic soldering skills. And then doing the frame, you can get the frame for free if you will look as a scrap from something. You can get glass for free from someone. Yes, if you will look, talk to joiners or some window companies which are replacing windows at their customers. You know, like, speak with people and you'll get. If you won't ask, you won't get. So I've spent for 500 watts 108 pounds for solar cells, and the total I'll pay for 500 watts about 150 pounds. I might be wrong, 10-20 pounds, but then 150 pounds for 500 watts, that's for me, wow, guys, that's mind-blowing. 150 pounds for 500 watts, we're talking about 300 pounds for 1 kilowatt solar panel. That's wow. You can't get that easily from them, because they've got premiums. Yes, solar cells are the cheapest way to do current production at home, and I will try my best to explain all the aspects from like a rookie standpoint of view. Yes, so that's my goal, guys. But anyways, I've said about 10 minutes, and that's 9 minutes 50 seconds. What next? Next week after 10th, yes, because now it's the 10th, so in the next 2-3 days I'll pick up my car, I'll go collect my solar panels from my customer, the one he promised that I will get. We will see what they are. I will try to hook them up to some lead acid battery, not yet a deep cycle one, but I will get something to try to charge and see the optimal way, because when I was charging these, single and double were fine, quite quick. When I tried to do these parallel, of course it was slower, and I knew it will be slower because you've got only 20 watts from that panel and you're expecting to charge 40 to 50 watts battery, yes, watt hours, yes, like ampere hours, volt times amperes, volt times ampere hours, you'll have a watts, you'll have a wattage, yes, you will know how many watts you will have. So we're talking about charging 20 to 25 watts maximum, and many times it's less because of the clouds, and charging 40 to 50 watts. So of course you need longer time to charge it. You can still do it, but the efficiency is just, you know, lower, yes. Again, if I would add another panel, I could charge them quickly, yes, that wouldn't be a problem. But hey ho, I'll need about probably 60 to 100 watt hours battery, 12 volt, deep cycle, lead acid battery, yes, probably. But I need to get panels first, make measurements, and then don't guess things. And I'll explain everything how I've calculated, and I'll show you how quickly I can and efficiently charge that battery, yes. So that's it, guys, that's everything what I wanted to show you. We will be trying to connect solar panels, maybe then mount them as well somewhere, and then test them, and then have some free current, because if I can get 500 watts here in this house, that means I can have all lighting at home for free, which is achievement unlocked. Thank you, guys. See you in the next video. If possible, leave us some like buttons or something, yes, over there. See you in the next one. Bye bye.